Well, hello there. Today is Science Wednesday and Nana Camp. I'm missing all of you right now, and I would be with you today, but because of the virus that's going around, that we are going to be safe by staying in our houses and not spreading it from person to person. So far, I think we're all healthy, which is good. So I thought I would do a little science experiment with you online and send you a video. Okay, so today we're going to do something with forces, push and pull. And we've done some of this before, and there's so many experiments about this. I sent a worksheet for you. Mom and Daddy have printed that off for you. So we're going to work with that. And I got it out of this really cool book of science experiments which is called Physics for Every Kid. So that's you too. All right. So let's talk first about forces. The name of this is Changing Forces on an Object. And there was a man who lived about maybe 300 years ago, and he loved science just as much as you. His name was Sir Isaac Newton, and we've actually talked about him before. Remember when we did the balloon rocket? An object has an equal and opposite force for every force that's happening, like how a rocket goes up. So this is another one of his laws that he discovered. He said that an object will stay at rest. It will sit right there and not move unless an outside force will push it. He also said an object will stay in motion forever unless something stops it. And his name, Sir Isaac Newton, he came up with this law. This is his first law of motion we're going to work with today. So the experiment is, you need a glass, you need a card, like a 3x5 card, a little stiffer than just paper, and you want to set that, cut it so it's a little bit off the edge of the glass. Let me make sure you can see this. This is my first video I've done, so make sure that you can see the experiment. So it's a little bit off the edge of the glass, and we're going to set something on top of that. So I suggested a little Lego guy or gal, and we'll just put him right on top. Now, he's just sitting there. What forces are on him now? What force? Ah, you're right. Gravity's pushing down. It's pushing down on all of us. All right? What if we move the paper? What if we flick the paper away really fast? Wonder what's going to happen to him. You want to take a guess right now? Why don't you think about it? Talk to each other. If I flick that paper away, what will happen to him? He's going to fly away with it? Because he's standing on the paper? Is he going to teeter over? What else could happen to him? Could he fall into the glass? Maybe. We don't know. Take your guess. That's your hypothesis. What will happen if we quickly flicked that paper away? All right? So here we go. Nana's going to try it. Oh my gosh. Did he fly away with the paper? No. Why did he fall into the glass? Why didn't he go with the paper? What do you think? Should we try it again? Maybe it was a fluke. Remember, when you have experiments, you need to try them 2, 3, 4, 5 times, because you don't know if something happened and it just happened that way the first time. So let's try it again. Get him out of here. All right. Stand him up. All right. And you're going to flick it quickly, but not too quickly. Just a quick flick. Oh my gosh! So because it happened the same the second time, that's really giving our hypothesis some import, like making it stronger and stronger that something's happening this every single time. I wonder if I have a little nut, like a little bolt. Let's see if the same thing will happen. Like you can put different things on here. Maybe you can collect some things and see. All right. There it is. Happened again. So let's think what is happening. You flicked the paper away so quickly that it flew off, and what was still pushing down on that guy? Gravity pushed him down. So you removed this so fast that gravity pulled him straight down. There you go. All right, you can try other things. Maybe a penny, maybe a nail, maybe a stack of Legos. This has been so much fun being with you. I love you all so, so much. So enjoy your day. And you know what? You can send a video back to me or a Marco Polo and let me know how you're doing. I love you all. Bye-bye.